Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. I'm Renata Brown. Now, for the second successive match day, all games in the ISSA schoolboy football competitions scheduled for today have been postponed. The announcement comes as Jamaica continues to experience adverse weather conditions caused by now Hurricane Ian. The games affected are Spanish Town High versus Jonathan Grant at the Spanish Town Prison Oval and St. Mary's College's home game against the Cedar Grove Academy. According to a release from ISSA, the weather condition is being monitored and an update on Tuesday's round of games will be made in the coming hours. On Saturday, all games across the ISSA Manning and the Costa Cup competitions were called off as the Met Service declared that Jamaica had been on a tropical storm watch. In the meantime, the affected Manning Cup games from Saturday will be played between October 18 and 22. This includes the North Street Derby between Kingston College and St. George's College, which has been set for Tuesday, October 22. And the 27 Costa Cup games that were postponed on Saturday will now be played between October 3 and 15. And the second set of semi-finals for the Kingston and St. Andrew Football Association Championship and Major League will now be played on Thursday at the Stadium East Field due to the current weather condition now affecting Jamaica. The games, which were set to be played yesterday, were pushed back 24 hours, but with the outer bands of Hurricane Ian still affecting the island, CASAFA has made the decision to once again postpone the matches for today. Former Premier League outfits Marvally Uenden will oppose New Kingston in the semi-final of the Major League. This at 6 p.m. on Thursday, while Medforest and Barbican are set to meet in the championship game at 8. The winner of those games will face Mountain View and Real Mona respectively. The final of both competitions is set for Sunday. With only 2 training sessions available before his first game against Argentina on Tuesday night, new Reggae Boys head coach Hamir Hallgrimson says the focus is on keeping things simple in the interim as the players adjust to his way of playing. Hallgrimson was unveiled as Reggae Boys coach on September 16 and will assume full control of the team in January. But the Icelander will use Tuesday's game to assess players ahead of his move to Jamaica. Speaking following his first training session with the team on Sunday, Hallgrimson noted that he will be keeping instructions simple ahead of the game against the world number 4 rated team.
We never have time enough to prepare against a team like Argentina, but we will do our best with the 2 sessions we have, and we will have 4 meetings with the players on the tactical things and stuff, so we will try to use the limited time we have. But of course it would have been preferable to have a lot more sessions, especially for us who are with the national team, but we try to use what former coaches have been doing with the team, so we don't confuse them with a lot of new information for this important match. But
the game will be shown live on TVJ Sports Network at 7 p.m. with a delayed broadcast at 9 p.m. on TVJ. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Kalisha, it's back to you.